Truth assignments. We will use letters such as P, Q, R, and S to represent atomic statements. We refer to these letters as propositional variables. A truth assignment of a list of propositional variables is a choice of T or F for each propositional variable in the list. Let's look at an example. Consider the propositional variable P. There are two possible truth assignments for this propositional variable as follows. We can assign P to be true. We can assign P to be false. We can visualize this information in a table. The table will have just one column because there is one propositional variable. This column is for the propositional variable P. There will be two rows, one for T, one for F. These rows list the two different truth assignments. Let's look at another example. Consider the propositional variables P and Q, where P and Q are distinct. By distinct, we mean that P is not equal to Q. In other words, we use the word distinct when we want to make sure that it is understood that the objects under consideration are different from each other. There are four possible truth assignments for this list of propositional variables as follows. We can assign both P and Q to be true. We can assign P to be true and Q to be false. We can assign P to be false and Q to be true. And we can assign both P and Q to be false. Again, we can visualize this with the table. This time there will be two columns, one for P and one for Q, and four rows, TT, TF, FT, and FF. These are the four different truth assignments. It's time for an exercise. I suggest you now pause the video, try this exercise yourself, and then resume the video to check your answers. Consider the three distinct propositional variables P, Q, and R. How many different truth assignments are there for this list of propositional variables? Well, there are 8. Let's draw a table that will allow us to visualize this list of truth assignments. Okay, well, there are going to be 3 columns and 8 rows under the header. We have true, 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 false, true, false, true, true, false, 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 true, true, false, true, false, 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 true, and false, false, false. There's one other way we could generate this table that might seem a little easier, and that's to notice that in the first column, we have 4 trues followed by 4 falses. Then in the second column, we alternate 2 trues, 2 falses, 2 trues, 2 falses. And then in the last column, we alternate true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, and we're done.